Hi everybody! Meron tayo ngayon for sale na property located in Balanga Heights, Upang Proper, 2nd District, Balanga City, Bataan. Napakaganda at napakalaki ng bahay na ito. Ang lot area is 178 square meters at floor area naman is 123.65 square meters. Ito po ay 5 bedroom. Pero pinalitan na po, naging 4 bedrooms na lang kasi naging extension po ng kitchen yung isang room. Kaya naging 4 bedrooms na lang po siya. So 3 bedrooms sa taas at 1 master bedroom sa baba. And of course, meron po itong living area, dining area, 3 toilet and bath, balcony covered porch, at carport provision for 2 car garage. At ito po ay corner lot, wide frontage, at very accessible po talaga ang property ito. Ito po ay may 3 minutes drive going to Vista Mall, 4 minutes drive going to McDonald's, 10 minutes drive going to BPSU, 5 minutes drive going to Jollibee, and accessible to all commercial establishments market, grocery stores, convenience store, hospitals, schools, at marami pang iba. At kaya po ito ibinebenta ay out of the country na po yung family, for good na sila doon. Ang market price value po nito is 13 million and ibinebenta lamang po namin ito ng 8.5 million na lang po. Ang CGT or capital gain tax ay shouldered by the buyer and the seller. So maghahati po sila sa expenses nun. And syempre po, yung transfer of title and other documents shouldered by the buyer na po siya. And we are accepting cash or acceptable terms. Open din po ito for bank loan. For more details, i-message nyo lang po ako dito sa Facebook account ko and tumawag po kayo sa cellphone number na naka-appear dito sa screen. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at pakikinig. Abangan nyo po yung next project na i-upload ko. Bye!